Welcome back to another day of the 3D lily pad pond stitch along. Today we're going to use the four-legged knot to make these cute cross knots on our lily pad pond design here. So for this one you will want 4 strands of your yellow thread. We're going to bring our needle up at the top point of our cross and go back down at the bottom, making a nice straight stitch there. Then we're going to bring our needle up on the right end of our cross, lay our thread across that straight stitch, and then slide our needle back underneath that straight stitch and over our working thread, so it kind of wraps around there. And then we're going to gently pull our needle through so we create a knot right there in the center. And then bring your needle back down at the other point of your cross, like so. So again, bring your needle up at the top point of your cross, back down at the bottom, making a nice straight stitch. Now bring your needle up to the right side of the cross, lay your thread over that straight stitch. Now slide your needle underneath that straight stitch and over your working thread. Gently tug so everything makes a knot, and you can kind of press it down if you need to, and then bring your needle back down on the other side of your cross there.